So, how do you upload videos from your mobile phone onto YouTube? And how do you optimize those videos that you've uploaded in order for you to get more views? Including all YouTube settings, all YouTube features for you to maximize your view count. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload your videos onto YouTube. And this will work exactly like the way you upload your new videos on a laptop or on a computer, where you can get access to all the settings, all the features required from YouTube in order to maximize your view counts. So let's dive into this setting that I'm about to show you. So in order for you to get all the features needed when you're using your mobile phone to upload your videos, so first thing first, we head over to our Google account. You go to YouTube dashboard, because what we wanted here is a computer-like home page so that you can get all the settings required when you're uploading your new videos, and this can generate more views and your videos can be discovered out there. So you come to this right hand side with a plus sign or create, you click on it, then you go to upload video, and then you bring you to this page. You go to select file, make sure you know where you save your video already. So mine is saved on media picker. Click on it, and then you search for the video you want to upload. So this is the video I wanted to upload. So I've selected the video, I'm just waiting for it to upload. So the video has uploaded. So this is exactly what you want to see, which is the top side there, where it gives you everything in details, the step by step, what you need to follow to get all the settings that is required. So first thing first, we need to start with the details. And the title that comes here, this is my channel title, which we don't need, because when you use your dashboard page, computer page like, so all this setting has already been set up as my channel page. So what you need here is the video you've already uploaded. That's the information you want for that video. So now I'm going to delete the title of the video. So we delete everything and you give it the title for the video, which is how to make a YouTube banner using Canva. So the next setting now is your description. So the description you're seeing here, this is my channel description, which we don't need. We want every video should have their own description that are reflected to what the video is talking about. So I'm gonna delete all this description. So make sure you've already populated your own description, so which I've already had. So I'm just gonna paste it here. So that's the description for the video I've already populated. So the next setting now, scroll down to thumbnails. So when you use this feature, it allows you to download 3 thumbnails where YouTube can test all 3. So any of these 3 thumbnails that has the highest click-through rate, that's the one YouTube is going to recommend for this video. So now we go to the test thumbnail, click on it. So it gives you the option of 3. So I've already populated my 3 thumbnails. So you go to the first one, click on the first sign. So you click the first one. You go to the second one, you click the second thumbnail. You go to the third one, you click the third thumbnail. And then you click done. So you see, when you check on the thumbnail, it has already highlighted 3 thumbnails, which YouTube is going to use and then finalize which one has the more clicks. So the next setting we're going to look at is your playlist. So you select your playlist. First, you need to write the new playlist, the title of the playlist. So for you to get that, you come to new playlist, and then you type in the title of that playlist, which is how to make YouTube banner using Canva. So that's the title. So when you're done, you click create. So it's already there. So from there, you choose which other title related to that video in order to generate a playlist. So you click on how to make a YouTube banner. This one too, realistic fake YouTube background, Leonardo AI also related, how to make thumbnails is related, and how to edit videos with CapCut is related. So I think these are all related. So now what I will do next is click on done. So you come to your playlist. Now you've already generated 7 playlists. So the next setting we're going for is your audience like. What is your video is set for? So here you've got yes is made for kids or no is not made for kids. So make sure you click on not made for kids. You choose your right audience. Mine is always not made for kids, so it's already on. So now you go to show more. Pay promotion. If you are being paid for this video, make sure you click it. Mine is not, so I leave it on off. So you go to alter contact. Mine is no because it's not, I'm not using AI. So you go to the next one, which is automatic chapter. So it's on. Features places, make sure it's on. And automatic concept is on as well. Then now you come to the tags. So you look at the tags. These are my channel tags. So but always ensure that when you're using this feature, look at the tags to see if all of them are relevant to the video. So I look at my tags here. The first one, don't quit your 9-to-5 job. It is not relevant to the video I'm uploading, so I'll delete that one. So you check on all the tags that you've already generated for your channel. Anyone that is not relevant, make sure you delete them. So the next setting is language. Make sure you put the language that you require. So mine is always English, so I leave it that way. You come to the next one, which is license. Make sure it's always standard YouTube license. Embedding, allow embedding. Make sure it sticks. Publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. Make sure it's on. And then you go to short remixing. Make sure it's on. Make sure it's on allow video and audio mixing. Category also is very important. Make sure you choose the right category. Mine is always how to and style. So you can choose the category of your niche. And comment, make sure comment is on. And the next setting is show how many viewers like this video. You make sure it's on. And then from there, you go to next when you're done with that. So the next setting now, we are looking at video elements. So this is where you add your subtitles, end stream, as well as cards by using these 3 add buttons there. I'm not going to go over there because otherwise the video will go too long. So when you're satisfied with that, you click next. And then it brings you to this other page. So from here, it's already done the check. So we are following the line at the top side there. Details has been checked. Video element has been checked. Checks has been done. So now we are on the visibility. So visibilities, this is very, very important. The visibility you choose will determine how your videos can get discovered and how to generate more views for your videos, because that is the most thing you needed here. If you choose public, because immediately your visibility comes in, the public button is already set on. It's very, very important to put your channel into public so that people can discover your channel. However, when you upload a new video, If you want to generate more views and also for YouTube to recommend your videos, I would recommend you can either put it on private, unlisted, or you schedule it. Because when you put your video on private or unlisted or scheduling it for maybe for the next 24 hours or so, you allow YouTube to check your videos for any copyright or to know what the video is all about, so that YouTube will find the right audience to push your videos to. This is where your video gets recommended by YouTube, because YouTube has already detected your video. They've already identified what your video is talking about to push it to the right audience. So when you're happy with the setup, because as you can see, the video has already been set up. We've already completed what is required at the top right hand side there. If you look at the details, everything has been marked as completed. So then you click next. So when you click next, so that means your video has been uploaded. So if you go to your contact, your video is there uploading. So now you know how to upload videos from your mobile phone straight into YouTube, and how you can get all the settings required to maximize your views. So don't let a computer or a laptop stop you from getting all these settings that is needed for you to maximize the views. So if you use your mobile phone, if you use this setting to upload your videos only on your mobile phone, this will prevent YouTube from recommending your videos, because your videos will not go to far abroad whilst there. But when you use these settings to upload your videos, you go through these settings to upload your videos, this will generate more views on your videos. Your videos will be more easier to be discovered by audience there. So this setting will not only allow people to discover your channel or your videos, and for them to come over to view your videos as well as subscribe, but also YouTube will recommend your videos just using the settings that we just went through, by using this setting to upload your videos. If you find this video very helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification button on, so that each time I upload any of these new videos, you will be the first person to know. I'll see you on the next video.